Hi, and thank you for allowing us to send you this video. I'm going to be showing you a few tips on how by improving your website you can outrun your competition, get more exposure online, and of course get more customers. So let's start with your website over here. And the first thing that I can notice is that you could use a little more of content, especially here on the homepage. And this is very important because adding more content to your homepage will definitely will definitely will help you to rank on those Google searches. And I'll be comparing your website to what I believe is your might be your main competition. But content by content I mean especially here in this case will be wording, and it has to be original. It has to include the keywords that you want to be found for. And besides that, if you're going to be adding images, same thing. They have to have the proper information so Google can find you when somebody's searching for a roofing company in New Jersey. So definitely on the homepage, add content, and then on the subpage the same thing, but not as much as the homepage. So um, that'll be something that you want to keep in mind. Um, let's take a look on the back end of your website, and we can see that you're being found for 184 keywords, and this is bringing you 44 visits to your website a month. You have 187 backlinks. Now, backlinks are other sites that are mentioned in your website, and that will help you getting more power so it can be found on Google as well. And this will increase the domain rating and the URL rating over here. But keep in mind that not all links are created equal. So if they're not powerful, if they're not relevant, and especially most important, if they're not targeting the keywords that you need to be found for, these numbers are not gonna make any difference. Let's take a look really quick on the keywords that you're being found for here, and of course for the business name you're being ranked number one, which is that's a good sign. Um, Lawrenceville Roofing. There's an average volume of 60 searches a month, and you just climbed 13 spots on the from the last month, so you're in six, in the first page. Then you have Premier Roofing NJ, which is something similar to your business name. Let's keep it home renovations NJ. There's an average volume of 20 searches a month. But you can see you're climbing on some of these keywords. For example, this one is Roofing Hamilton, 20 searches a month. You just lost four spots there. Mansfield Roofing. Not really sure if that would be one of the keywords that you want to be found for as well. Roofing Hamilton, uh, 20 searches a month, and you're on the second page on that one as well. If I go to Google and do a quick search of roofing company NJ, we can see here the first section, sponsor. Then we have the traditional Google ads. This is where you pay every time somebody clicks on your ad. Then we have the maps section, and this is very important because if you are ranking here, that means that you might be ranking here as well. And just for your reference, 67% of the people that do a Google search, they don't even pass these top three on the map section and on the organic results. So if you're not here, that means that you're not ranking for that specific keyword, and you might be missing a lot of customers, a lot of potential customers. So for the purpose of the video, I went out and pulled out this website. Let's take a look here really quick. And we're gonna be comparing your website against this, which I believe is your main competition. So we can see here that even though they don't have that much of a content, they might have a little more than you, especially in images. If you have more content, you can definitely start competing with these guys on that first page. So that's something you want to keep in mind. They also have more pages, sub pages here, more type of services, siding, windows, and doors. Um, Not really sure if you guys have that because it doesn't say here. You got roofing, box cutter, skylight. So something you keep in mind that specify what are your services besides roofing. If we look on the back end of their website, you can see that they're being found for 2,000 keywords. That's bringing them around 862 visits to their website a month, which is quite a lot. They have over they have 2,800 backlinks. And again, not all backlinks are created equal, but we can see here that these backlinks are helping them as well. And if we look on the keywords that they're being found for example, let's take a look really quick. This one's very important. Roof repair NJ. There's an average of 200 searches a month, and they're ranking number two. Something you might want to consider on targeting as well. Roofing companies, same thing, 200 searches. That's a lot. So that's a lot of searches that you can be taking advantage. A lot of potential clients that you can take advantage as well. So to wrap this up, because I don't want to take too much of your time. Uh, if you like what you hear, feel free to reach to us. Our information will be attached to the email, and I hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.